So we're out and about at the Dollar Tree, and Daisy here is determined to get Valentine's Day stuff to put in my apartment. She's a crazy lady. Okay, so this is day 2. Mama Daisy got in yesterday, but I didn't film anything.
What do you like?
I don't really like this.
What do you like?
Everything is so cute in here for Valentine's Day. She's a shopping lady. Look how cute she looks today with the boots and the whole outfit. Uh-huh. What'd you say?
Calm down.
Morning.
All right, so we just left the mall. She's trying to steal someone's license plate.
It's a paper.
She's eating conversation hearts. Valentine's Day candy.
Happy V-Day.
Happy V-Day. We're walking up in the Target. Bless you, Alan. So yeah, this is the Mama Daisy vlog.
No.
Yes. Now we're up in the Burlington. Alright, so we just got back from the store and Daisy is gonna show us everything that she got in her haul today. We went to Dollar Tree, we went to Walmart, we went to Target, and the mall, and Burlington. So she's gonna show everything we got today.
Plantains from Dollar Tree, just love them. 99 $1. You can't go wrong with that. I got the peanut butter, the Lance Toasties, very good. Sun's Best, mixed berries. They're awesome. 100 calories, 4.2, less than the.
Is it like a wafer or a cookie?
No, this is just like a Pop-Tart, but they're better for you. Less sugar, less fat. They have a crispy cracker like between jelly. Awesome. Paper towels, Charity's little conditioner. Wanted to get her. I got pretzels individually wrapped. They stay fresh. You only need 1 serving. Dove soap. Dove deodorant. I got her a little Valentine's Day jammy set. Cotton shorts. Sweater.
She got for herself.
A nice furry sweater for me. Couldn't resist that one. Puma socks for my son Alan. He loves comfort. TP. And that's it for the haul today. Oh, and last but not least, Valentine's underwear for Alan to wear Valentine's Day in his little Calvin Klein.
No, I didn't know you were so into recycling and stuff. Who's Bob?
Who's what? What?
Who's Bob? The sticker on your back.
That's plastic, fantastic.
Who's Bob?
I don't know.
Look, it said you saved a plastic bag. I put it on you in the store.
Oh.
You didn't even know it.
No.
Wow.
Look at this one, look.
The lips on it.
Look, like they waited for us to get home to do all this. Even Cookie like. All right, so we just got back from the grocery store. Let's see our second haul of the day. Let's see what my mother-in-law bought from the grocery store. I'm gonna show you guys. All right, so this is what my mother-in-law got. She got this Japanese cucumber. She claims that these are the best. Okay, we're gonna find out. I'm gonna find out. I don't know about that. I haven't tried them yet. We also got some pork chops. We got some white cheddar popcorn. I made her buy me some of my yogurt and some bananas. We got some cottage cheese. We got an onion, red bell pepper, tomatoes, butter, lettuce, and some pink lady apples. It's our little grocery haul of the night.
A picture. No.
Are you a celebrity?
What the heck? Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this?
So that everyone can see what you've been doing over there. Because nobody can see what Alan looks like tonight. So I'm filming it to put it in my vlog so y'all can see what Alan's been doing over in his Lord Farquaad chair. King Tut. Thumbs up. Okay, oops. I just set it up. Y'all didn't even notice me setting the camera up. That was fun. That was sneaky.
No, we didn't. Okay, we have some gold hoops.
Number 70.
Number 70, nice size. Here's the back.
Got Daisy over here helping
What is
with the
silver?
live.
Number 70.
It's her last night here. Alan over here hiding behind the laptop like a troll. Look at this mess my mother-in-law's made since she's been here.
Oh, really?
You didn't miss much, Christina. We're just getting.
We're doing our live. The cats are over here. Oh, what a pretty baby.
I got tired already. I'm fighting with it.
Huh?
They got tired from fighting already. 29 minutes, but that's okay.
Daisy's last day here. She's fixing to leave. She's made this big mess. She ain't cleaned it.
I did not mean to dig it.
She ain't cleaned it.
Wow.
So what was your most favorite thing that you ate here since you've been here? Like the
The
restaurants.
pasta. The
So
chicken.
the Italian restaurant?
With the garlic bread. It was very good.
That's true.
And Alan's salad. Mwah.
Oh yeah, he does make a good salad.
And Charity's pork chops, last but not least.
You wouldn't even barely eat them.
I tried it. I wasn't hungry and I still ate some.
Ew, look how shiny I am. Greasy. What's the weather like today?
It's very humid. It's about 72, 75.
I can feel the humidity in
It's
here.
humid.
It's disgusting.
Hey,
That's why I'm
I'm
greasy.
enjoying it because back home it's probably in the 30s.
Yeah, but the humidity is like,
I don't mind it.
it's sticky.
I don't mind it at all.
So it's 9:46. What are we about to do?
We're gonna go get some breakfast. We're gonna have the haul to the airport. I wonder if the kittens are gonna come with us. I'm just kidding.
I wonder if the kittens are gonna miss you.
Yes, she will, because Cookie was purring above me.
No, they won't.
All children need discipline.
How do you feel about that, Cookie? You don't like that, huh? Nope, she don't like it.
Where is she? Is she on the counter? Okay. She's not on the counter when I'm here.
She was trying to train them to not get on the counter.
She was doing good. Hopefully Charity keeps up with it.
I won't. Everything you did was pointless.
Okay then.
I'm kidding, I'm kidding.
You stop.
Look at this mess.
Did she respond back?
Yeah, she said okay. I see Alan's shadow under the door walking around.
What is it called?
What?
Scary Terry or something?
Tall Terry.
Tall Terry.
Yeah, you've seen him under the door. Now we're having a little McDonald's breakfast for Daisy gets on the plate. It's my ketchup. What'd you get for breakfast, Daisy?
Bacon, egg, and cheese on a biscuit.
All right. Okay, y'all, so it's like 5 something and Mama Daisy has been gone for hours. She got on the plane at like 1 something. She left from here, but I figured I would just come on here really quick and in this vlog, I have no clue what I even recorded of her stay here, so I'm gonna have to go back and watch it all and edit it. But yeah, this is the end of the Mama Daisy vlog. I hope y'all enjoyed whatever it is I filmed. I won't know till I edit it. There's like a big storm coming through Texas, so I'm just laying on the couch. I'm super tired. I'm relaxing, looking out the window. The sky's black. It's all windy and creepy, but I kind of like it. Anyways, just want to say thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give us a thumbs up and leave some comments down below. And I'll see you next time. Bye.